Clouds are more than just a damper on a sunny day. They can hinder, delay, or even destroy a real estate transaction if the involved property has a cloud on its title. Let's talk about what it means when there's a cloud on a property title, how to find clouds on titles, and how to avoid them in today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm attorney Alexis Johnson of AFJ Law Group PLLC, and as I said at the beginning of this video, clouds do much more than block the sun. They can block an entire real estate transaction. But why? What's the significance of a cloud on a property title? Well, in order to transfer ownership of a property, the title also has to be transferred, which means it needs to be free and clear from any liens or encumbrances or anything that might make the title appear invalid. But when there's a cloud on a title, that creates some sort of doubt because clouds are created by documents, encumbrances, unreleased liens, or other claims that could impair or even invalidate the title. And this is obviously going to be unattractive to a proposed buyer because for the most part, clouds are created by creditors asserting a claim on the property, and that claim has to be addressed before the title can be free and the cloud is removed. So let's talk about how to find out if there's a cloud on a property title and how to avoid them. So how do you find a cloud on a property title? Clouds usually get discovered during a property title search, which often occurs after a real estate offer has been accepted. Title companies will search many sources in order to find documents related to the property, and this search will show all unresolved claims and encumbrances on the property title. So what are some common clouds that might be found on a property title? Now this is by no means an exhaustive list, but these are some examples of common clouds found on property titles, such as mechanics or construction liens where a contractor did work on the property and wasn't paid in full, clerical errors by the clerk's office, fraud or other types of forgery, easements or encroachments or other boundary disputes, and improperly probated wills. Again, there could be other types of clouds that appear on a title, but these are ones that you'll see very commonly. Clouds on titles have to be completely resolved before a real estate transaction can occur, and sometimes all that's necessary is a title search to clarify the issues. But other times the issues can be more intricate and involve legal action. The first start would be what's called a quiet title action, which is basically a lawsuit that requests the court evaluate the title issues and propose a potential resolution, such as ordering a party to pay property taxes in order to clear the title. But sometimes even more extensive legal action may be required where the dispute involves things like the ownership of the property or some type of inheritance or a boundary line dispute. And that's where a civil lawsuit may have to be filed. Two starting points to avoid clouds in the future is to purchase a separate title insurance policy. During the closing process, lenders often require buyers to purchase title insurance for the property, but it's important to note that these policies usually only protect the lender's financial investment. Having a separate policy will cover fees associated with resolving past title issues that may not have been discovered through the title search. Second, do your research. Avoid any surprises by continuing to check on the title records at your county clerk's office. Oftentimes, these can be found easily online. Staying up to date allows you to catch and resolve any title defects as issues arise. Dealing with a cloud on a property title is tricky stuff, and that's why it's always advisable to work with a knowledgeable real estate attorney who can advise you of your options and whether or not you may need to take legal action. If you have questions or would like more information, please check out our website, afjlawgroup.com. Please also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can continue to receive informative legal videos like this one. Thank you for checking out this video.